Suck a nigga, dig a song. Suck a nigga, dig a song. Suck a nigga, dig a song.
I'm an ex just cause they following the leader. I should switch it up on hoes.
In a good time, they just trying to ruin it. You should quit. Cars saying fuck your life. Okay, now we out of here. Toodles to you bitches. And if you dolled up, I got the voodoo for you bitches. Yeah, I'm busy getting rich. I don't want trouble. Oh yeah, we in this bitch. I'm about whatever, man. Fuck what they be talking about. Their opinion doesn't count. We the only thing that matters.
And my shit so but you gotta pad it in. Gotta roll your boat. It's pink by the records on the OVO. He asked my son. I said it's sad. I'm a star.
I'm so proud of you.
My favorite part.
You don't hear my line no more. Oh, you don't make it ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring. Should I go for the dog? Quick, then that's it. I'ma get to know so your thumb broke. I don't care if we get into it and I stall it. It's not a threat, it's a warning. Be careful with me. Yeah, my heart is like a package with a fragile. Go on and be careful with me. Careful me. Always say that you be there for me. Oh, you better treat me carefully. I left that nigga on red cause I felt like it. Dress me down in a rash in a orange jacket. That's what I do. What like I do. What like I do. Look, bro close do what they can't. Good girls do. You got the milli on you. You say I'm the goat, you're the Billy on you. I can make all your dreams come true. Wanna fall through, then you better come true.
The cook came imported. The season's all white, come and snort it.
Whoops. I should be comfortable cause I don't be.
Child. Hi guys. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. All the products I used are in the description box. Just very quickly, I have to share this with you guys. So basically I've been using some teeth whitening products and I'm about to show you what I've been using just quickly because I just think my teeth look really nice with this red lipstick and they're just looking white as hell. So let me get that for you quick. I've been using this teeth whitening product. You've seen it all over Instagram. It's like this black powder. And when I see it on Instagram, I just think, okay, well, yeah, it looks whiter because obviously there's something dark on it going on your teeth before it actually turns white again. But it actually does wonders. So it's why I'd be smiling a lot in my videos. So let me put that to the side. Sorry I've been away. Yeah, sorry I've been away because I've just been slacking, just been lazy. And yeah, I just want to keep it natural, keep the videos coming, keep being me, and not letting you guys down. I can actually see some people who watch my videos I've seen in person and they've clocked me, and I'm just like, oh, I still make videos. Why have I stopped? And I'm just here explaining to them like I've stopped making videos. I'm just like, oh, they like me loving videos, and I'm like, I like making videos, I'm not gonna lie. I like showing you guys what I can do, new things, and learning new things, and hearing from you guys, and it's just fun. It's fun. So yeah, I'm really sorry, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video.